Autumn, have a good day at work. That's my grown daughter going off to work. Headed into Costco for our monthly grocery haul. My list isn't quite as big as the past couple of months, so hopefully I can get out of here without spending too terribly much. I've got Talia and Renee as my helpers today. I always have to walk down the kitchen aisle and see what new stuff they have. Still got the Duo Gourmet, $79.99. Great pot. All right, they have this coffee maker on sale this month, and this is the one that I just got. I did a video on it, and I love it. So if you're in the market for a new one, it's on sale for $99.99. These are also on sale this month, and I got these a year or a year and a half ago, and I use them all the time. They're really great. They're the pop and seal containers that I use for dry goods. The sales are going until August 29th, so you should still have some time to pick some of these up if you're in the market. Love these. I have a set of them. Those are cool. These aren't on sale, but I really like the look of them, and I think my husband could use one, so I might grab one. Let's see what colors. They only have the red and blue. He does really like blue, so I might just get that one. I don't really feel like digging through there, so I think I'm gonna get this one, and there'll be one for me and one for him. How nice. This was the other thing on sale this month that I wanted to show you. I use these all the time. I have like 3 sets of them, and they're only $12.99 right now. That's a really good price.
They're so big. Should I go choose one?
We're not getting a watermelon. We still have some in the fridge. All right, there they are, Renee. Go grab a bag of carrots. Renee is currently obsessed with carrots, mostly because she learned how to peel them herself.
Yeah,
and cut them. And they taste so good. Talia, do you want russet potatoes or gold potatoes? These are really big. They're easy to peel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I could like just make one of these potatoes.
Exactly. They're enormous. Oh my goodness.
They are giant.
We want to get some green bananas because we've already got some ripe ones at home.
Here's a green banana.
Yep, here we go.
I thought you said brain banana.
Brain bananas. Yeah, they're good for your brain. Coconut keto clusters. Go ahead and get 2. Oh, they're heavy. They're tails, shrimp tails. You don't eat the tails usually. You can just throw it right on top.
Oh, I thought we put it on the bottom.
On top is fine. It's so light. All right, we need another big thing of avocado oil. It's right there. Grab that. Nope. Yeah, that one. And chocolate chips.
Chocolate chip.
Right there.
Chocolate chip. Wow.
Okay. Oh, I want to get another thing of avocado oil spray right there. It's time to get some rice. We like the jasmine the best.
Jasmine is the best. And now we need oats.
You can put it on the bottom. All right, I think we did it. We get everything on our list? Oh, we didn't get cinnamon. I think it's over here. Let's see if they have that real fast. And then we got toilet paper.
So it doesn't fall.
Okay. Yeah, let's see if they have cinnamon, and if they do, great. If not, we're done.
There we go.
Okay. Yes, they have it. Such a good price. Vanilla extract is only $15.99. Last time I looked at it, it was over $20. I'm gonna have to grab that next time. I don't need it right now, but I'm so glad the price is coming down. What is that, Renee?
Chocolate covered almond.
Yum. There you go.
99.
It's kind of expensive celery. Guess it's organic.
99.
Got it?
What do you need help with?
You can grab the bananas, Renee.
19.
You
90.
scan your products and you set it on here.
All right, can we get out of here under $300?
79.
It's a fun game we like to play. I think we'll be close.
You have one that's just like this. Why do you need so many sweaters?
Because sweaters are the best. All right. So close. Here is all of my stuff from Costco. I'll start back here with all of the non-food items. First thing is wastebasket liners. Okay, these cups. So I wanted something that was big. I usually use quart-sized mason jars with like a straw lid and a straw, but I wanted something that was not breakable for when I'm out working on the farm, you know, just carrying it around. I was just worried that I was going to drop it and it was going to break or it's going to tip off somewhere. So I really like the look of these. They're still really big. They are, oh, actually down here it says 40 ounce. I'm blind. 40 ounce mug. So it's enormous, but then it also is small down at the bottom so it can fit in a cup holder. It's got the nice handle. So I'm going to try these out. They look pretty nice, and I think my husband will like one for taking to work. We've both been doing lower carb recently, and we find that we need to have our electrolyte drink in order to really feel like we're staying hydrated, especially with the heat. And so mixing up a giant thing of our electrolyte mix will be really nice, and this will keep it cold throughout the day. Excited about trying those. Then I also found these little hoodie shirts that looked cute. There's the hood, and so that's what it looks like. They just looked really comfy for, you know, the upcoming fall, like between time where it's not cold enough for a jacket, but it's not warm enough to not wear a jacket. So I grabbed a couple of those. I'm always a sucker for this color too. I love this blue color. So those looked nice. And then the last non-food item, of course, is toilet paper. Now for food, I got a giant bag of russet potatoes. The kids have really gotten into making their own fries in the air fryer. They peel them themselves, they cut them themselves, and they're so thrilled that they can cook them all by themselves. And so I've been buying a lot more potatoes recently, which I really like. I've been trying to reduce the amount of wheat that the family consumes. I already don't consume it. My mom has celiac disease. My sister has celiac disease. That's a hereditary disease. I kind of would rather my kids eat less of that kind of thing just to be on the safe side. So I haven't been buying as many things like tortillas and such, not to completely eliminate it from their diet, but just to reduce it. And I'm just really happy that they have started to take the initiative and make their own side dishes like potatoes. I got a giant thing of avocado oil, a bag of organic sugar. We love these Amy Lou Sugar House Maple breakfast sausages. Got one pack of those. A pack of organic celery sticks. Big bag of organic carrots. This just comes in so handy. I use it for my egg white bread when I make that. So I grabbed another 2-pack of the avocado oil spray. Couple bunches of bananas that are green because we already have some yellow ones that are waiting to be eaten. 2 packs of string cheese. The kids eat this every day, so 2 packs will last us the month. We have been loving making the ground beef burger patties in the air fryer. It's a super easy quick meal that you don't have to think about defrosting ahead of time. So I cook those a lot. So I got 2 packs of those. 2 bags of the sausage patties. I've been making my egg white bread breakfast sandwiches with these sausage patties. It works really great. They're big around and they're nice and thin, so they're perfect for sandwiches. 2 bags of those. Got a box of oats for the kids. They love making their air fryer granola with that. I'll put a link to that recipe up in the cards. That's another one that they can make themselves that they absolutely love and think is amazing because they made it. I got 2 bags of the jalapeno cheddar pork rinds. My husband has been enjoying these since he's eaten lower carb now. I got a big bag of jasmine rice. This is another one of the starches that the kids have been eating a lot more often rather than bread and pasta and such. So we needed to stock up on that. Big bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. The kids have been using this to make trail mix. I was almost out of black pepper, so I got the coarse ground black pepper, Saigon cinnamon, and a big pack of avocados. So typically my monthly grocery hauls at Costco are about $400, so I was happy to get out of there a little bit less than that this time. We just have been stocked up on things, and we've been getting a lot of veggies from the garden, apples from our apple tree, lots of blackberries from our property, and then you pick blueberries that I showed you in a video a little bit ago. So we've been getting a lot of stuff like that around here locally and on our own property. So it does end up making a difference on the grocery budget as a whole. Thanks so much for going shopping at Costco with us today. Hope you guys are all doing great, and I'll see you again in another video.